Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to create outline text Photoshop. Open Photoshop. There, right-click on the name of your file and choose Blending Options. In this window, click on Stroke and click again to access its options. After this, click on Color. Now you can choose the desired color for the outline. Click on OK. Then you can define the size using the size line slider. You can adjust its position if you need to. When you click on OK, you will see the outline on the text in Photoshop. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.